Hi everybody, today we're going to be taking a 3D walkthrough tour of Unit 8 at 20 Boult Crescent in Burdell. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property, and as you can see in the entrance of this property here, we also have the entrance through from the garage. Heading out now into the main lounge and living area, as well as a kitchen and dining space. Here we have a laundry as well as a downstairs toilet. So just heading upstairs now, we will take a look at the bathroom of this property as well as the bedrooms. Heading into the master bedroom here, you can see that this has plenty of space. It also has a walk-in wardrobe, as well as a full ensuite. And into bedroom 2 here, you can see these bedrooms have plenty of wardrobe space. This here is the main bathroom of the property with a shower as well as a bathtub. Into bedroom number 3, this one has a balcony. And lastly, the 4th bedroom of this property. Thank you everybody.